Hey guys, thanks for joining me. I'm doing a bit of an unexpected video. I didn't really think that this would be the type of thing I would do a video about, but I got this little peripheral just a few minutes ago, and when I opened the box, I was actually a little bit kind of surprised and shocked. Now it was a $16.99 purchase, and it's a little USB 3.0 port or hub that I got simply because I'm running out of space on this PC. I've got pretty much everything connected in, from the keyboard, the mouse, microphone, stream deck, webcam, speakers. There's a couple of other things back there, Wi-Fi adapter and a Bluetooth functionality adapter. So there's loads of stuff plugged in. I'm running out of space, and I actually have some new stuff that's arrived in. I've got a little audio amplifier from Sennheiser, and maybe a couple of other things that are coming in the next while for the office. And so I realized I was running out of space pretty quickly, so I wanted to get a little kind of hub where I could split off without losing performance or anything like that. And I went for this one, the Sabrent 4-port aluminium USB 3.0 hub. Now when I ordered it, I never noticed that it was aluminium, which is maybe where some of the surprise comes in. This particular one is a limited black edition apparently. But anyway, I opened the box up a few minutes ago, like so. And yeah, I was really impressed by the unit, I have to say. It came, it's freezing today, so it came, and I was surprised by the, it was freezing cold, so that's why I noticed the aluminium. It's got like a really lovely powdered aluminium finish to it. Really nicely done. It's a little bit weightier than I expected for a simple 4-port USB hub. It has these little kind of spun circular kind of areas to the side, and it's got a rubberized bottom, so when you put it on the desk, I don't know if you can see that, but it stabilizes it a good bit. But yeah, I was really impressed by this, because what I was hoping for was just like some little plastic thing that I would have to hide away, but at least I could expand the USB options for all the different devices I've got. And what I got was something a little bit more, with very seemingly high build quality. I'll update the video and let you know if I'm disappointed by anything, but assuming the performance is up to speed. And like I say, I went for this option. So it's USB 3.0, supposedly 5.0 gigabytes per second transfer speed. So assuming that all stacks up, it's also compatible with Windows, Mac and Linux. But assuming it all stacks up, the package is really well done. It's a nice little box, and you know, it's not the most exciting peripheral you'll ever buy, but if you are looking to expand your USB ports from your PC or Mac, this seems to be a really good option. Now it's 4. I don't think they did any larger ones in this form factor. There were some I saw which had 7 USB ports and so on. I figured 4 would be enough for me. I've just got a few extra bits that are coming that I need to plug in. So I'll probably plug in my keyboard, mic, the audio amplifier up there, and the mouse, and that'll be the 4 taken up. But assuming that the performance doesn't drop on any of those, which you would assume it probably wouldn't, you know, it's more maybe for storage transfer and so on, where you might notice a lag or slowness in transfer. But assuming everything goes to plan, this is a really good unit. So as with anything on the channel, I only recommend it, and I only do videos about stuff I actually buy with my own money, and I'll either love them or hate them. Generally I love them because I do a lot of research before I make any purchases, and this one had a lot of good reviews on Amazon, so that's why I went for this. But I am super surprised by the quality of the build and the kind of feel to it and everything. So that's why I wanted to do a quick video. Now, if you do want to expand your USB ports, full disclosure, I am an Amazon associate, as it's called. So if you do purchase through the link I'll leave below this video, direct to this product, I probably will get a little commission from Amazon. But it's only a $16.99 purchase, so for me, it was more than worth it for the functionality. Let me know how you get on. If you have any questions or queries as you go before you make any purchases, let me know, and I'd be happy to give you my own personal opinions on stuff. But so far, really impressed by this little unit. I don't know whether Sabrent is a known brand, or maybe it's like a Chinese kind of, you know, white labeled product. I just don't know, to be totally honest with you. Made in China, so could well be, but it says Sabrent is a USA company. Either way, the build quality is there. Hopefully the functionality stacks up, but I'll let you know if anything changes on that. Assuming it all goes to plan, highly recommend this little USB hub to expand your USB ports. So yeah, make sure you hit the like button, ask any questions below the video, and hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, and I'll keep doing these kinds of videos for you as I add new stuff to the office. Got a lot of stuff coming here to do with cables and lighting and all that kind of stuff, so let me know how you get on. Meantime, have a great day guys, thanks for watching, take it easy.